Hello everyone, welcome back to Pixmux Tuts. Today I'm going to show you how to use Windows Reset. Some people refer to it as a Windows refresh. Either way, it'll take care of a lot of issues you're having with your Windows system. If all other repairs fail, this is the next step that you're going to want to take. Now there's a couple warnings I need to give you before you go down this road. One is any programs that you have installed on your computer are going to disappear, as well as you can lose your files if you're not careful to select the right selection. Let's jump into it. Hit the Windows button and type in reset. Reset this PC will come up. Select that. On the middle of the screen, you can see it says recovery. Reset this PC. That's what you're going to want to choose. So get started. Now here you can keep your files or you can remove everything. If your computer is really acting up, I suggest backing up all your folders and files to a flash drive and completely removing everything to give you a fresh install of Windows that cleans up any kind of orphan files. I'm going to remove everything. From here, you have two options. You can cloud download the system files, so reinstall the Windows operating systems from the web. Or you can use the local reinstall, which is the system files on your current computer. I generally do local reinstall. However, if that fails, you can use the cloud download in order to recover your computer. The preference is really up to you. I'm going to select local and next. Depending on how fast your computer is, this could take a very long time, up to 45 minutes or so. Windows is going to prepare some things before it resets, and then the device will automatically restart for you. Windows is now going through the default Windows setup process. What you choose here is up to you and your operating system. A tip here is if you want to create a local account, disconnect the device from the internet both through Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Because this is my demo machine and I'll be reloading it again sometime in the near future, I'm going to go without having a password at this time. I can always add that later. I typically turn off all of these settings just to speed up Windows so extra things aren't running in the background. From this page, you can choose to have Cortana help you. Windows has completely gone through the refresh setting setup. You are going to have to connect back to your Wi-Fi network and reinstall any applications that you previously had installed. Your computer now has successfully gone through the refresh, reload, reset, settings, and setup. Now you can set up this computer any way you want. Sometimes it's good to do this to really clean up a computer that's running slow and giving you issues, has applications that you no longer use, and you want to strip down the system to run the most effectively. Until next time, peace.